Racing just started. We have Classic Kit Kat. Break quickly at the start. Flojo. Carmelo is on the outside. Explosivo in the middle portion. My Big Osh for Polindi. Empire Queen while Security Charm is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Flojo by about a head. Then on the outside, pressing up is Carmelo. 4 lengths further back in third comes Porfolindi. Empire Queen is down on the inside fourth. Classic Kit Kat. Then next on the Explosivo, My Big Osh, while Security Charm is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the tres octavo, we have Flojo and Carmelo still matching their strides together. 6 lengths further back in third comes Porfolindi. Classic Kit Kat moving upon the outside, My Big Osh. Then comes Explosivo, Empire Queen, while Security Charm is still running at the tail of the field. And as they swing for home, we have Flojo by about 2 lengths. And in second is Carmelo for Folindi. My Big Osh on the outside. Last 75 meters, we have Flojo followed by Carmelo for Folindi. And finally, we have Flojo for Folindi. Close. My Big Osh, Carmelo, then comes Classic Kit Kat.
Alright, so it was Flojo despite the hounding coming from the second choice Carmelo, but still na-manage ni Uno